In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off your iPhone without actually touching the screen. Now, you may want to do this if for some reason your device's display is not functioning, if it's broken. So many things like that can happen. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to click. Essentially, you want to go ahead and press as quickly as possible the volume up button, the volume down button, and the power side button at the same time. So I'm going to explain this again. You want to go and click and press the volume up button, volume down button, and hold the power button on the side until your phone completely shuts off. So we're going to do this in real time. We're going to click volume up, volume down, and we're going to hold this side button until we get into this panel. Now we're going to continue holding this side of this phone until this phone completely powers down. So we're going to give it a few moments. As you can see, the phone completely shut off. So now if I were to tap the display, if your display is not functioning, it's not going to really matter. But you will see that the phone will go ahead and power off. And that's basically all we're going to have to do. So now, at this point, the phone will go ahead and power off. We can give it a few moments and the phone will go and power back on. And that's all we're going to have to do. So usually it may just turn on like this. That's basically the main way to do it. But if you want to go ahead, that's basically the main way to go and restart it. Now essentially, if you're still having issues, let's say the touchscreen's still not working or whatever the case is, well, you may just want to make sure that the touchscreen doesn't actually have any faulty issues. But if for some reason you're still running into problems, you may just want to go and keep your phone on, and keep it, on. If you want to completely die down, you can go ahead and just let it die out by staying on its main display, and then we'll just die down this way. That's another option you have. You can also invoke Siri if you want, and just tell it to play a video or something, and that might end up just helping the video die out a little bit faster on the phone, but that's basically how it's done. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.